Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Gray and this is my son Pi. He has a channel called A Boy and His Reviews, just spelled out just like that. And today we're going to be, let's see, unboxing BoxyCharm. Here, buddy, let's hold this up. Smile for mommy. Yay! Alright guys, so we have BoxyCharm. I'm going to get this done quickly so that he and I can go cuddles. This month I have the premium here. It is a $35 a month box. And
how much I want to get clay doll?
You what?
How much I want to get clay doll?
Okay, we'll do that. Maybe tomorrow. We're talking Pokemon. I do have some of this on my face. The first thing that we got this month, excuse my nails.
I need that. Some people don't know anything about Pokemon.
That's true.
Some people
That's
don't
why
know
they have
who
this.
Pokemon even is. It's been 1 minute.
I know. That's why they have to watch your channel in order to learn about some Pokemon, right?
Guys, if you don't know what Pokemon is, they're creatures. There's a show that you can watch. But again, there's a lot of seasons.
There are a lot of seasons, and there are cards you can collect too, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I actually have this on my face, this entire palette. Sorry baby, give me 1 second. I have these colors on my eyes.
Ooh, that looks pretty cool. I like the middle one.
Which one? This one?
No, I mean, I like the middle one because it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, that's the highlighter one. So I have, let's see, I have this as a base, this in the crease, this on the outer corner, and then I put this shade in the center and this in the inside, and obviously this in here. I use the blush, I use the bronzer, and I use the highlighter. So I used everything on here. You smiling at him?
No, I'm like...
What?
No, I'll take this one. Give me a minute. There we go.
I know. I gotta hurry. Okay, I gotta hurry. Alright, guys. And this is the retail value of this is $39. I really like this palette. Everything blended easily. The only thing I will say is they can blend out a little bit too much. So be careful with your blending. Alright, the next thing I got is the Silver Pure. This is a, I want to say it's like a makeup eraser, but it's not. It's just, for lack of a better word, this is like a makeup eraser. This is by PMD. I have a couple of their skincare tools, and this is, quicker. Okay, this is $30. All right, I'm not going to tell the prices. I'm just going to tell you guys what I got. I actually have a dog waiting for me too at the bottom. So this is Summer Riley. This is Jet Lag Mask, and I just want to let everybody know, if you did get this, there's an email you should have gotten as well, and it tells you a little bit about some issues that they had at the third manufacturing company and how they want you to patch test. So either right here behind your neck or on the back of your hand. You're about to hear my dog start being bossy as well. The next product is this REN. It's Ren Skin. 3 minutes, I know. It's a Ren Skin Clean Skincare. This is called Perfect Canvas. It is an oil cleanser and it will remove your makeup. The next thing I got is this Fenty. It is by Rihanna, obviously, Pro Filter. I love this stuff. This is now my new favorite. I have not found a powder better than this. It really does make you look like you have a filter on. And the final thing I got out of the box is the Fenty by Rihanna mascara, and this is called the Full Frontal Mascara in Cause I'm Black. I love her. Cause I'm Black, y'all. See? They're all so bossy. Alright, one more thing. Not yet, one more thing, and then we're gonna say bye. Some of the add-ons that I got are, I did not know if I was going to get the Pharmacy Deep Sleep or if I was going to get the moisturizer. Give me 1 second. The moisturizer. So I actually picked up both, and I ended up getting the moisturizer in my base box, which I'm sure you can see. I got another one of the milk moisturizers. I got, if you guys see this, this is the best hand sanitizer ever. If you guys ever see it, it has hyaluronic acid, so it's not drying and moisturizing. I mean, it is moisturizing while it's not so drying. This is the Bodyography Pro Flat. This is the Canatonic. Why is this open if I haven't opened it yet? This is a Milk Makeup Kush lip. I think it's called a lip moisturizer, I believe. And then I ordered the Pure 4-in-1 moisturizer slash tint. What?
That's not easy to say.
It's not easy to
is
say.
it?
No, it is not.
Guys, here's a challenge. Try to say it 10 times.
10 times fast.
10 times in 30 seconds.
All right. I'm going to go cuddle with the sky and get my dog on the bed because she's barking at me. I will see you guys on the next time. Sending you all light and love and peace.
Bye.
See you guys next time. Say follow me.
Follow me.
And click like and subscribe. And get Helix to do a certain closeout. Bye, guys.